In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit a campaign on Google Ads in just 5 minutes. Whether you're new to Google Ads or looking for a quick refresher, this guide will walk you through the essential steps to ensure your campaign is set just the way you want it. First things first, to get started, you'll need to sign in to your Google Ads account. This is your central hub for managing all aspects of your advertising campaigns. Once you're logged in, take a look at the navigation menu on the left-hand side of the screen. Here you'll see various icons. Look for and click on the one labeled Campaigns. This is where all of your active, paused, or draft campaigns are stored and where you'll make any changes needed. Next, locate the drop-down menu under the Campaigns tab and select Campaigns again. This ensures that you're viewing the full list of your campaigns. Now you should see a comprehensive list of everything you've set up so far. For the next step, find the specific campaign you want to edit. There will be a checkbox next to each campaign. Select the checkbox for the campaign you want to modify. Selecting this checkbox essentially chooses the campaign you're about to edit. Once your campaign is selected, a range of options will become available, one of which is Edit. Look for the Edit button at the top of the table. A drop-down menu will appear, providing access to various settings. Here, you're given the opportunity to make changes to your campaign settings, such as budget adjustments, duration changes, or targeting alterations. Take your time here to ensure that each setting aligns with your campaign goals. After making the desired changes, it's crucial to save your adjustments. Look for the Save button, typically found at the bottom or top of the Edit window. Clicking Save will ensure all your modifications are applied successfully. If you need to make more detailed edits beyond the general settings, such as adjustments to ad groups or other granular settings, click on the actual name of the campaign. Doing so will open up additional options and configurations unique to that specific campaign. This section is particularly useful if you're fine-tuning ad copy or targeting specific audience segments. And there you have it. Following these straightforward steps will allow you to effectively manage and edit your Google Ads campaigns with ease. Remember, regular adjustments based on performance data can greatly enhance your campaign's effectiveness, so don't hesitate to revisit these steps whenever necessary. Thanks for watching, and good luck with your campaigns.